How can you simply tell me, Miss, this is a woman leader from our classroom's perspective?
I discovered that woman leader means who's having leadership, initiative, and a lot of talent.
What are the three values a lady should have? Oh, sorry, a leader should have. Vijay. Initiative. Yeah, somebody who has all the three, and who's a woman is a woman leader. Now, with this definition, you're going to write down 3 women leaders you have come across in your life. Yeah, Balaji.
Mr. Muthulakshmi.
Mr. Muthulakshmi.
Dr. Muthulakshmi.
Thank you.
DP means
Oh,
my friends.
thank you so much. Who's your friend? Who can you be more specific?
Devendra, Nancy, Nisha, Radha, Jennifer, Vanilla, Nancy, Sirisha.
They're all leaders. Okay. To understand the values of a woman leader, I have bought you something called a
Case study.
case study. Is nothing but a piece of information, like Sanjay said, about someone. Take 2 minutes to read this case and underline important elements or important clues in the case. Who can tell me what we would write at the table by seeing the example? Yeah, women.
People do Muthulakshmi what action is took, what action took for this paragraph and what value is do.
Yeah, she is
So,
showing. Who can teacher model the first one?
do to her
Communicate.
communicative constant she studied at home on her own.
On her own. What value is she showing? She's showing independent. Which word is telling you the clue?
Own.
On her own. Like that, you're going to look for different instances and write down what are all the values Muthulakshmi is showing. You're going to do this independently. All of you together?
Independently.
Then this one. She fought. What value? She fought against bad things. She's very good. Nice. Right. Okay. You're going to share your answers with your partner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Now, partner 1, you're going to ask partner 2 questions. Partner 2 is going to question the partner 1. Why do you think so? How do you think? Where is the proof? You're going to ask them a lot of questions so that they think, so that we are all start. This group has teamwork, initiative, inspiration, courage. 4 values are there. You're going to discuss as a group. And put it in order of priority. This is most important, next, least important. Okay? Understood? Any doubts?
No.
One condition is you have to come to a conclusion. Conclusion, sentence structure. Third thing, I'm going to check you. I'm not going to check you. We are going to reflect on our teamwork rubric and find out where we stand as a team. Can you share your list with this sentence structure? We believe as a team the order is. Yeah, Sanjay, next sentence.
We believe as a team.
Order.
Order is first independent and teamwork, initiative, kind, courage.
Okay, lovely. Before I proceed, I have one question for you. My question is there a correct answer and a wrong answer to this? If yes, miss, there is a correct answer and wrong answer, give me a. Miss, no, miss, there is no correct answer, wrong answer, give me a thumbs down. Who hasn't had a chance to share? Vanilla.
It's our opinion.
It's your opinion. Why do you think this is an opinion?
Because one team will choose courage, initiative, and another team will choose initiative and courage. Their opinions is changing.
Okay. So you think all of them can be correct? All of them cannot be correct. Can be correct. Okay. It's a matter of P. What is it?
It is a matter of purpose.
Okay, purpose is also correct. Persuade is also correct. But perspective. It's a matter of take on reflection. I'm not going to quote incidents, but I really think as a team, all of you can reflect on respect and tell me where you stand in respect. So, can you tell me where you stood? 1, 2 or 3? 2, 3, mix of 2 and 3. Kind of 1, 2 or 3. Where do you stand? Start. As a team, what will you do better next time? I heard one wonderful response. I loved it when K. Vanilla and Anbaragan shared that, Miss, we need to be helpful in the team. It's not about just we talking. It's about if somebody is not able to talk, not just telling talk, helping them to talk. As a classroom, you're going to ask questions. Somebody's going to take the question and answer the question. What are the different questions you asked in the beginning of the lesson? What are the questions you have in your mind right now?
What clues are telling you that she is the leader?
Anybody wants to take the question? Yeah.
He fight for the child marriage and fought for the right to educate the girls. He fight and he took initiative on responding. I want to be human. Why we are studying about case study?
Why are we studying on case study? Who wants to take that answer? Correct.
Because the summer is the miss give independent law. It's all already said, but miss give teamwork, but miss also give teamwork. He also
Okay. Also case. As we are entrepreneurs solve a lot of cases. Okay, to acquire different skills. If you take a case, you use different skills like I said, independence, problem solving, analyzing, and they are all skills of an entrepreneur. That's why we tried a case. One important question I have: why did we talk about women leaders? Why did we particularly talk about women leaders? Yes, Vijay.
He is famous leader. That is why he is leading.
Okay, now forget Muthulakshmi. Why did I choose women leader? Why did I not say values of a leader?
In olden days, only the men are the leader. Girls leader is told less, so that we want to learn about the women leader.
Lovely, nice point, brilliant. Somebody else who wants to add to that? Share your opinions now. Yeah, Arun.
In olden days, they told girls how you did not go to school and all. They oppressed the girls.
Lovely, you oppress the girls, nice. Okay, I hear oppression.
In the olden days, the boys all told girls all not go to work. Boys only go to work.
Okay, but now what's happening?
The boys and the girls still they're going to work.
Both boys and girls are going to work. Nice, they're equal again. So now it became equal. Oppression, now it is freedom. Why are we discussing so much? We're discussing about Malala, we're discussing about Dr. Muthulakshmi, we're talking about Sheryl Sandberg. Now suddenly why are we giving so much importance to women?
Not caring about girls. Now girls trying to become their chance to show their talent.
Lovely, show the talent. Is the values for women leader and men leader different or the same? Why? Why not? See a lot of opinions. If it is different, touch your head. If it is same, touch your nose. Okay, somebody who is different. Yeah, Anbar again. Boys asking dowry. Okay. So they should have more leadership. Okay, yeah. Teasing girls. Okay. So can I share my opinion on why it could be different? One is men today have more freedom than women. Men have more freedom than women today. Like in some houses they are equal, in some houses they are still not equal. Reasons are dowry, reasons are infanticide, reasons are sex ratio, reasons are different things. So women need more, I think women need more courage also to be women leaders in today's world. Why both should be same? Kevin.
I wondered that the woman leader and men leaders have same values because anyway the woman leader is a leader and the men leader is a leader.
Lovely. Okay. Yeah, we're going to so conclude the lesson on 3 things. One thing is olden days men and women were, but now it is getting olden days there was a lot of, but now there is more. So that is why we study more about women leaders today. Got it? Thank you.